Welcome to Insight. What are you most excited about for Insight this year?
I always love coming back and seeing what's new in RainFocus, what other people are doing.
I think just the networking. I think the people speaking to these absolutely sensational people in the room from the biggest brands in tech, in the B2B space. They all come to Insight by the looks of it. I'm just keen to meet and experience of all of that.
It's always the same thing for me, just time with the people, time with our customers, even time with our employees. I just love being around everyone and the conversations and being able to connect.
Familiar faces, right? Seeing people that you've known in the industry, you've worked with, you've partnered with, you've had as customers or have been customers of ours. It's just an incredible kind of very large family reunion.
I think I'm really excited about what we're doing in the main stage. I think we've kind of made some changes here in the main stage, and I just can't wait to see how some of those come through and some of our interactive elements. I think that's the thing I'm most excited about this year.
Learning more about gamification opportunities and how we can engage with our attendees through mobile experiences.
That's awesome.
I think the show floor is probably my one thing. I'm super excited this year. Yeah, no, it's beautiful. And all of the partners here are really, really fantastic. Hearing some of their pitches yesterday and then being able to chat with them and really see how they can improve our events is looking forward to it.
Yeah. Connecting with people, elevating those relationships.
That's right.